Dear 6th standard students, welcome back to online classes. In the previous class, we discussed basic geometrical ideas. In that, we have discussed point, line segment, ray, and still other basic concepts. Okay. So, and also we have done exercise 4.1 and 4.2. So, these are all based on rays, lines, and curved line, open line or closed curve, open curve, etc. So today let us discuss about angles. So angles means, so here we have to learn so many types of angles. So before that, so angle means here there are two rays which are having same common point. So listen, so angle means, so let us consider this is one ray and this is one more ray. So this is O is common point. So let us consider, so this is P, so this is Q. So angle POQ. So this is angle POQ. Isn't it? Whatever it may be. So it may be 30, 40, 50, 60 up to 360 degree. Isn't it? And also in further classes we are going to learn about different types of angles. Okay. So here, so let us start with the exercise. So how can we define angle means? An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common initial point. So this is the common initial point. So this is OP is one ray and OQ is one more ray. So ray means you know very well. So ray means it has only one ending point, isn't it? So how do you define angle means? So an angle is made up of two rays starting from a common initial point. Okay, so that is known as AM. So that is known as angle. So that means an angle is made up of two rays starting from a common initial point, isn't it? Look at this figure here. O is common point, isn't it? O is common point. Nodi ಇಲ್ಲಿ O common point. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ O ಅನ್ನೋದು OP ರೇಗೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ, OQ ರೇಗೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Hence it is called as common point. And two rays, which are two rays? OP and OQ. OP and OQ are two rays. OP and OQ are two rays. Okay. So this is the definition for angle. So, okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು 6th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ನೀವು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಮಿಸ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಾರ್ದೆ ಈ ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. So next, so let us pass on to the exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. Listen, here it is given one figure in exercise 4.3. Listen, here it is given, name the angles in the given figure. Here it is given one figure. So we have to mention the angles, that's all. Okay, so first one, here it is given one polygon. It consists of four sides, whatever it may be. So we have to notice the angles which are there. So A, B, C, D. Here four points are there. So we have to mention only angles in the given figure. Which are the angles? So therefore angles are angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Okay, so these are all the four angles. Then second question. So in second question, here it is given, listen, look at this figure. In the given diagram, name the points. In the given diagram, name the points. First one, in the interior of angle DOE. In the interior of angle DOE. So first let us write the diagram. So let us write the diagram. So in this figure, here it is given two rays. So three rays one is common point, so this is F, so this is O, and one more point, that is exterior point C, and one more point interior, that is A. Then on the ray, that is B and E, so this is B and this is E, and one more point, so D, isn't it? So this is the figure. Here we have to find out first one. In the interior of angle DOE, in the interior of angle DOE, we have to mention only the points. In the first question itself, we have mentioned the angles. So in this question, we have to mention the points. First one, in the interior of angle DOE. In the interior of angle DOE, ಈ DOE ಒಳಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? So that is A. First answer. Next, second one. In the exterior of angle EOF, exterior of angle EOF. So this is angle, isn't it? Either exterior point, exterior means ಹೊರಗಿನ point ಯಾವುದು? That is C. Then third question. On angle EOF, on angle EOF, ಈ angle EOF ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, which is that is B. That is point B. Okay. So these are all the three questions. Okay. In this diagram. Take down. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ. So next. So next, third question. So next, third one. Here also it is given. Draw rough diagrams of two angles. Listen. The question is like this. Draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have, first one point in common, secondly 2 points in common, 3 points in common, 4 points in common, 1 ray in common. So we have to draw the figure. So in the above two exercises, in the above two questions, already they have given the figure itself, but here we have to draw the figure. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೇಲಿನ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ಫಿಗರ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ನಾವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇ ಫಿಗರ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಲಿಸನ್. ಸೊ ಡ್ರಾ ರಫ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ದಟ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ one point in common. First question. So first question ಗೆ one point in common. One point in common. Listen. So this is one point in common. So A, O, B. So here angle AOB. So O is 1 point. A is 1 point in common. Okay. So this is the example. This is the figure. Okay. Then second one. 2 points in common. So 2 points in common. Nodi. So 2 points in common. So A, here B and O. So here C. So here 2 points in common. Listen. So A and B. So these are all common points. So A, B. So this is common points. 2 points in common. So next, third question. 2 points in common. 2 points in common. Third question. 3 points in common. 3 points in common. 3 points in common. So 3 points in common means 3 points should come on same line anta. So 3 points common ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Listen. Let us consider O. So this is A. One, that is B, C and D. Okay, so 3 points in common, isn't it? These are all the 3 points in common. Next, fourth one, 4 points in common. 4 points in common. 4 points in common is, once again let us take A. So this is 1 point and O, B, C, D and E. So these are all 4 points, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 4 points in common. So instead of, so I think no need to take E, so let us finish up to D only. So 1 2 3 4, so 4 points in common, that is O B C D. So these are all common points. Okay, then next, one ray is common. One ray is common means OD. So fifth question, one ray. One ray is common. So one ray is common means, let us see. So one ray is common. Suppose if you draw like this, A, O, B, C. So this OC, so this OC ray is common for both the angles. So this OC ray is common for both the angles. Okay, take down. Next, listen. So next let us pass on to triangles. Triangles. What is meant by triangle? So the name itself indicates. Tri means 3. Angles means, you know very well, isn't it? So 3 angles are 3 sides. A triangle is a 3-sided polygon. A triangle is a 3-sided polygon, isn't it? It has, listen, let us take one example. A, B, C is a triangle. So the triangle consists of, three sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. 3 vertices. So let us see in this figure 3 sides. Which are the 3 sides? That is AB, AC, BC. Here 3 angles. Angle A, angle B and angle C. 3 vertices. A, B and C. Vertices means points. Listen. ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 3 sides ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಗನ್, isn't it? Least sides polygon ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ that is triangle. Simplest polygon, that is triangle. A triangle is a 3-sided polygon. So we can define like this. It has 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. So listen, in this diagram AB, BC and BC are 3 sides. Angle A, angle B, angle C are the angles and the 3 vertices means A, B and C. Okay, then so let us pass on to the exercise 4.4. ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್, ದೊಡ್ಡದೇನಲ್ಲ, ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 2 ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 4.4, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 questions. Listen. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P on its interior and a point Q on its exterior. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? Listen. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ರಫ್ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ರಫ್ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಒಂದು ರಫ್ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ಚು. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿದು ಒಂದು ರಫ್ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಹಾಕಾಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್. ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ in its exterior or in its interior. Point A interior or exterior ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Neither it is interior nor exterior because it is on the line, isn't it? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ A ಅನ್ನೋದು it is on the line. So therefore A is neither exterior nor interior. ಇದು ಒಳಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಏನದು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲಿದೆ ವಿನಃ ಅದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ಒಳಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಟಿಸಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ, Then second question, identify 3 triangles in the figure. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫಿಗರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಈ ಫಿಗರ್ ತಂಗಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲಿಸನ್, ದ ಫಿಗರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. A, B, C, D. Listen. Identify 3 triangles in the figure. First question. 3 triangles. First question. 3 triangles in the figure. 3 triangles in the figure. 3 triangles na mention ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ, triangle ABC. Triangle ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳೋದು, triangle ABC. Next, triangle ABD. Triangle ABD and triangle ADC. Triangle ADC. Okay, so next, second question. Write the names of 7 angles. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 7 angles ನ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Write the names of 7 angles. First one, angle ABD ಈ ಥರ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ AD ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಥರ 3 letters ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 letter ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ 3 letters. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 3 lettersನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಈ ಥರ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ABC, ದೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ACB, ದೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ BAC. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು 3 ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ADB, angle ADB, and then angle ADC, then angle ABD, ನೋಡಿ ABD. Next angle ACD, ನೋಡಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 7 angles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ಓಕೆ, 7 angles ಬಂತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, write the names of 6 line segments. Names of 6 line segments. 6 line segments. So ನೋಡಿ 6 line segments. 6 line segments ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರೀಬೋದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಗರ್ ನೋಡಿ. 6 line segments. ಫಸ್ಟ್ AB, AC, BC ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ AB, BC, AC, then AD, BD, DC. ನೋಡಿ 1 2 3 4 5 6. ಓಕೆ, 6 line segments. Next, fourth question. Which 2 angles have angle B as common? Angle B as common. Angle B ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ 2 angles ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Which 2 angles have angle B as common? Angle B as common ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ 2 angles ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ABD ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ABC ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಮನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ABC ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ABD and angle ABC and angle ABD. Okay, these two are having angle B as common. ಈ ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ B ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 2 questions which are given in exercise 4.4. So next, let us pass on to exercise 4.5. So this is based on quadrilaterals. So in the next class, let us start with quadrilaterals 4.5, and 4.6 is based on, that is circle. Okay, so these 2 are remaining. In the next class, let us finish it off this lesson. Okay, take down ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋನ 2-3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ನೋಡೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇದು ಜಾಮಿಟ್ರಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 2-3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ನ ಯಾರು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.